Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naomi. If you're stopping by for the first time, welcome. So if you want to see how I achieved this eye, please keep watching and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications when I have new videos up. Okay, so without talking too much, let's just get right into this video. Right, so to start off my face, I'll be using the Estee Lauder Resilience Lift SPF 15. It looks just like that. I hope you guys can see. Liquid concealer, and this is the Lagirl proconcealer. This one is in the shade medium, AZ medium, and this is in the shade fun. Alright, so I already applied it on my face, and now we're going to blend it out because it dries down really. So you want to give that a really good blend, especially when you know the concealer dries really fast. You don't want to blend lightly and then after you set you start seeing patches. So it's very important that you give your highlight a really good blend so that it sinks into your skin, and then you blend any demarcation line between your foundation and the highlights, everything together. Powder underneath my eyes to catch any fallout once I start doing my eyeshadow. Okay, for quick contour, I'll be using the Zaroncosmetics nude eyeshadow palette, and I'll be focusing on these two shades. And to warm up my my cheeks, I'm picking up these two colors right here. So for eyeshadow, I'm applying my concealer on my lid as eyeshadow primer, and I'm just spreading that all over my lid and blending it out with a blending brush. Now I'm picking up that black gel liner, and I'm going to apply this on my lid as well. It will also serve as a base for the black eyeshadow that I will be applying on initially. So I'm picking up that black shade from the Yangabeauty Arielle eyeshadow palette. That color is so black, like it's one of the darkest black eyeshadow colors I've ever owned. Like literally speaking, you guys, it's amazing. And I'm just covering up the whole area where I initially applied the gel liner. Now I'm going to use the brown from that same palette just to diffuse the edges a little bit. Then I will blend in a circular motion. And after that, I would set the concealer underneath my brow bone with powder, then go over with a big blending brush to sort of like blend everything out. Okay guys, so off camera I went ahead to sketch the spider on my face with black pencil. So now I'm going over with my liquid liner. Wish me luck. So guys, now I stand in the black underneath my eye, and I will also use another blending brush just to diffuse the. To add a little bit of white, I'm going to be using the House of Tara eyeshadow primer So guys, now that I'm done with it, I'll be picking up those two colors to create the illusion of a shadow behind the legs of this spider. And I'm just like drawing, you know, like I'm trying to mimic the initial legs of the spider in front of it, and everything will come together once I'm done and you'll see it. And after that, so guys, off camera I went ahead to create the web on the side of my mouth, and I also applied a dark lipstick, and now I'm just applying the Yangabeauty Candid Glow on my face just to highlight the high points of my face under my brow bone. And yes, that's the end of this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. So if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up right now. And yeah, okay, so after this part, I sort of decided to clean the lips because I wanted to see how the lips would look with a sort of like a nude lip. And I already went off camera to clean the web and apply foundation on that area and powder. Now I'm just doing a simple everyday nude lip, and this is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe and share this video with your friends, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.